Meaning of gloominess.
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 Gloominess. Gloominess refers to a feeling of darkness, sadness, or pessimism. It is a state of being gloomy, characterized by a lack of light, hope, or cheerfulness. Gloominess can be caused by various factors, such as bad weather, personal problems, or negative events in the world. People who are experiencing gloominess may feel low-spirited, anxious, or irritable. They may have trouble sleeping or concentrating, and may withdraw from social activities. Overall, gloominess is a negative emotional state that can significantly impact a person's well-being and quality of life.